Okay, we're going to record now.
Hi, everyone. I'm Diane Manuel. I'm a financial advisor with Urban Wealth Management in El Segundo, California. And I have my buddy with me, Christine Brown, who's an estate planning and elder law attorney in Torrance, California. How you doing, Christine?
I'm good, Diane. Nice to see you. It's been a while.
It has. So let's talk a second, because I know we're both getting different kind of calls from clients and people are interested in terms of what we're doing and how we're doing our work now. And I'm just wondering, I know my clients ask a lot about the estate planning process and I try to prep them. But maybe you can talk about what are some of the key documents in the estate planning process and some of the things people should think about as their attorneys are asking them questions about these documents.
Sure, I'd love to. So some estate planning documents that you should have, regardless of whether you're going through, a pandemic or not, there are probably like 5 documents that I would recommend. We'll start with some of the documents that everyone should have. So for example, if you're a parent and you have minor children, you should definitely have a nomination of guardian in case something happens to you or the other parent. Because let's face it, I mean, you may, treasure your house, your financial portfolio, but your children are probably the most important thing in your life, and you obviously want them to be well taken care of after you've passed away. And this document allows you to nominate the people or person that you want in charge of raising them. The other document is a will. Most people are familiar with that. It's a legal document that sets forth how you want your estate to be distributed after you die, as well as the person or persons you want in charge of your estate to make sure that your bills are paid, tax returns are filed, assets are liquidated, and then ultimately they distribute the assets out the way you want it. A durable power of attorney for finances allows someone to help you with your financial decisions if you become incapacitated. Just to name a couple of powers that they have would be to talk to your financial advisor and help manage your financial accounts, access your bank accounts, pay your bills, manage your real estate as well. The other document would be an advanced healthcare directive, and I know people are very sensitive to that issue now in light of COVID and all the bad news that we're getting with people, passing away or becoming seriously ill from it. But an advanced healthcare directive also allows someone to make medical decisions for you if you're no longer able to do so. It allows them to talk to your doctor, agree to treatment or medications, access your medical records, as well as make very tough end-of-life decisions about whether you want to be on life support or not, whether you want to make an organ donation, or whether you want to be buried or cremated. So that's very, very important. And last but not least, here in California, most people who own real property also have a living trust, also called a revocable trust. And it allows someone to set forth how they want their estate to be managed during their incapacity, as well as after their death. And the reason why they're popular here in California is it's a way to avoid the probate process after you die. Here in California, and in particular LA County, probates take over a year to start and finish them, and the statutory fees that are payable to both the executor and the attorney are rather high. So a lot of people want to avoid that cost for their family, and for that reason, they'll settle on a trust, especially if they own real property.
Right. Wow, thank you. That is key and good advice during any time, whether it's COVID or pandemic or any situations, that just have key documents lined up and letting your loved ones and or your friends, whoever's important to you, know where those documents are and what they say. So Thank you for sharing that. That's key information. I'm sure everyone should will take it to heart. And If you don't have your documents in order or you need to update them, go see your estate planning attorney, everyone. Thank you, Christine.
You're very welcome anytime.
Thanks.